The PowerBass Auto sound line of tweeters offer accurate, reliable pinpoint imaging and installation versatility. The S1S is a silk dome and offers smooth sound without ear fatigue. Inline 12 dB acoustic crossover. Flush, angle, surface mounts. Ferrofluid cooling. Neodymium magnet. Top reviews from the United States. Great product, easy installation. I was looking for an affordable, easy-to-install, high-quality tweeter set and found them. These silk dome tweeters are crystal clear, but without the harshness of hard domes. The included crossovers are set perfectly, so there's no need for a separate crossover control. The installation is also a snap. Just use the speaker outputs and splice them in, or use a small separate amp. If you already have a set of 4 full-range door speakers, and a powered sub, these are the final piece you need to complete your sound package.